Here we are. Here's Mitchell. Come on, son. We want pace out here. Come on, Mitch. Come on, man. Oh, buddy, I was hoping for more. Any comments? Okay, next contender is Benno Spence. What's he gonna do? Hang on, hold on to her. He's decided to go back down and have another go. Woo! And the third contender for the day is Nick. He's looking good. The pace is beautiful. What he's gonna do it? Hold on. He's thrown it away. Can I tell you, that was fantastic? Have you got any comments for the folks back home? Yeah, what happened was Nick made it to the top by his bike. He was that excited, it decided it wanted to have another go all by itself. Oh, hold on. Oh, you sucker. Yamahiba. Good one! He was on his motorcycle. All of a sudden, he gave her a big handful. And then what happened? Nick, what happened then?
You told me not to back off, so I didn't.
You're the good boy.
But I fell off.
Hold on a minute.
You get that?
Have you got any comments for the folks at home?
No, it's you, hon.
Benno Spence, this is where he ended up. And we got Nick, he decided to go a bit further down the hill, bless him. Poor boys, you're doing a good job there on the retrieval down the bottom there. Good work, boys.
Thanks.
I have full faith in you, man. I know you can do it. Okay, we've got Mitcho. You can hear the rumble of the big 450 coming through the bushes. Here he comes. He's looking good. He's sitting down. No, he's standing a little. No, he's got it under control. Hang on. He's not looking good. No, sorry, folks. We'll say that that's a non-event. Okay, you can hear the rumble of the little 200 two-stroker. Benno Spence is looking determined. He's got nice momentum and it's looking good. And as easy as that, people. Easy as that. Alright, here we go, people. We've got Mitch having another crack on the big, what is it, 450. Here she comes. He's looking good. This is nice momentum. Love it. Oh, don't back off. Oh, no. That's what we're talking, horsepower. Woo!